Hey, what's good, people? It's time for the weekend update. We're gonna be checking out 4 different items today. Start off with the Converse Kim Jones collaboration. Next, we'll break into the Travis Scott Cacti merch. Third, we'll be checking out the Drake collaboration with Nike for the Nocta. I got the hoodie. And then last, we will be checking out the Supreme Spring Summer Week 7 pickup that I grabbed, the linen cap.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
First things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that like button below. I'm gonna keep shooting content at you, some different pickups that I grab just every week. I mean, I'm plugging away 65 plus hours a week at the post office. I'm just delivering mail, you know, just a regular old mailman. And then I collect type of stuff. And I'm working hard for that money. I'm not a reseller, just like, I mean, cool, like if that's how you gotta work it, but I can still put in those hard hours at a job and cop some Kim Jones Converse. Oh, the box looks like Nike did not package this great. I did grab these from the sneakers app. The box itself for these Converse is sort of a grayish white. Here is the label for the box there. A little bit different. It's Converse, so they don't really have a standard box, really, do they? Maybe they do. Maybe there's some real Converse fans out there who know about that. Wow, these are really just, this paper is completely destroyed, but that's okay, because I can already see the product. I can already see these amazing Converse. They actually have a little bit of weight to them. They feel really thick and solid. You do have a bunch of rubber. All this darker cream is all rubber. It's pretty thick, actually. And then you have these speed laces or speed lacing things in between the eyelets, so yeah, you can lace it up a lot faster apparently. And then the upper itself is still just the canvas. It is like double layered though. Another layer on the inside, really thick, or not. I mean, really it's not that thick because it's just canvas, but way more thick than a standard Converse would be. Looks like these ones were made in Vietnam. Along the back you have a really thick piece of rubber. Got another rubber on the heel, and then this massive rubber piece that goes all the way around the outside of the shoe, curving up on both sides right around the middle area of the shoe. And yeah, this is so thick. This rubber here is just insane. The Converse All-Star logo looks really cool on here. I like how they did that with just it being a little bit smoked out just in the middle. And you have your Converse All-Star Chuck Taylor right on the back of the heel there, all in black. The bottoms, looks like they should have really good traction, really nice rubber. All a nice brown color, a deep brown. Alright, I just want to see how these fit. Just throw them on real quick. And yeah, they feel, you can feel that weight to them. I'm sure they're going to break in and be nice. But right off the bat, they do seem like they are a little bit narrow. But I got a really wide foot, so I was hoping that these Club Paradise pants would fit nicely with the color. I don't know. I think it goes all right. Pairing it with my custom tee. I actually made this tee. This is organic cotton, ethically made. Spray it on there. So definitely hit me up if you want to get my brand taken off a little bit. Totally into that. But yeah, so let me know what you think about the Kim Jones Converse. I mean, sort of perfect for rain, sort of. You still have to deal with that canvas upper, so water can still get through that canvas pretty easily. But yeah, they have that thick sole, that chunky sole that everybody's going after, and they're Converse, which is actually kind of a slimmer shoe, so it just kind of I don't know, a mashup of a couple of worlds. So I like them. Tell me what you guys think. Next, we are getting into the Cacti merch from Travis Scott. I think I got 2 shirts that were the same color. Yes, I did, but they were the 2 that I liked. Travis went with United States Postal Service. Thanks for doing that. Make my current employer a little bit of money, right? Here are the tags on the outside of the plastic. Sometimes these can be nice to see if you want to get a legit check. It's always a good thing to know what these items look like. Get that warning information on the back. Now I have to make the hard decision of which one I actually want to open up and which one I'll save for later. Because I do want one of the green ones, but I just couldn't decide. The television with the commercial guy, that one is actually pretty funny. But this one has the Cacti logo. And this is actually the drink itself. I got some at my Walmart, but yeah. It says lime, Cacti, you know. And then if you didn't see this already up here. I've got a box of them. Yes, this one's unopened, untouched. I'll keep it for my collection. Got them all in there though. This is what we're looking at for the Cacti packaging. Got your drink information there. So anyways, yeah, cool graphic there. I like the spikes. You know, it's a cactus. It's spiky. And it tastes actually really good. I think that spiked seltzer should not be sweet because it's a seltzer. It's not sweet. There's not any sugar in it, I don't think at all. Yeah, negative sugar. Well, whatever. And then it's also 7% alcoholic volume, so you're getting a little bit more bitterness with that. I still think the flavor is actually really amazing. The little hint of flavor they add in there is actually really, really good. I enjoy it. But I'm a fairly avid drinker now that I can drink. I used to stop myself from drinking, keeping myself from a lot of the things in life that I enjoy now. But yeah, you can find out more about that if you want to go back to some of my very early on videos. I've made quite a few changes. So anyways, I'm still deciding. It's too hard of a choice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna leave the commercial tea. I'm gonna leave that one. I mean, it was cool, but I'm not super hype on that commercial. I mean, it's cool. I mean, but yeah. I more like the drink itself and this one here. Before I just open it all up and show you the graphic, I'll show you the back of the neck. This is also good information to see, legit checking. You want to know what all that stuff looks like? When we open it up here, yeah, just basically a United States standard size large, nothing special with the sizing here. It's not crazy wide or crazy long. I mean, it's a good length. Actually, some people might think it's a little bit too long, but I don't know. Yeah, not bad for a size large. And there's your back graphic. This is why I wanted to have that. Because look at that hand. It's got a bunch of spikies all over it. It's a cactus hand. So, is that Travis? Yeah, that's Cactus Jack right there. He's grabbing his cacti. And you got your flavors, your lime, your pineapple, your strawberry, agave spike seltzer. You got your graphic up here. But yeah, they had a lot of different merch, and it's funny. I like this one because he was grabbing the cacti. Oh, and this is puff print here. That's cool. Like, this is not puff print, but then this is. I don't know, like, it gives a cool dimension to it. Look at that. That's cool dimension. So I wanted one with Travis's hand on there, and then I wanted the one with the commercial dude, because it was still funny, like, you know. Yeah, but then when I saw they were both the same color, I was like, I'll just pick one. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll throw this one on. This is a regular size large American, or United States size large. So is this one, I'm pretty sure. So I'm pretty much thinking they're gonna fit the same, and we'll see how they look with my Kim Jones. Okay, yeah, so it's got this puff print all on the front. Kind of reminds me of that Kanye Jesus is King merch with the big giant cassette tape on it, that blue cassette tape. I have that long sleeve somewhere. I don't know. It's in my past videos if you want to look it up. But yeah, here's the back graphic on this one. Let me know what you think about that. And I don't know. I think this might just be a fit right here. This ain't bad. I'm going all crazy with these neutrals. But I'm about to ruin it. I'm about to put on some black from this Drake Nike collaboration. The Nocta brand. A new brand from Drake. Is that what it's called? I'm pretty sure that's the name. Like I was saying, I did grab this from the sneakers app. So this is how it looks coming straight from Nike. Here's your little tag down here. It's a basic Nike tag. You know, some warning information. And then your plastic is just held down with a few pieces of tape. Go ahead and take this hoodie out of here. We got some tissue paper wrapped up in here. A couple of different pieces actually. Keeping our graphics all nice. All of our W.U.G.L graphics. There's a couple of W.U.G.L ones on there. Yeah, there's this Nike one. Actually, it's not even W.U.G.L. This is totally a piece of rubber. It feels like it should be on the bottom of a shoe or something. This Nike that's right under your head, basically. And then these blacks. This hoodie is a different black than these pockets on the front. And then you also have your regular pocket down here. What? Is there something else in here? There's like another fabric. Oh, geez. Look at this, people. Nocta gave us a secret zipper pocket. Okay, I'm gonna have to throw this on and show you. I'm gonna show you the tags real quick, because I gotta show off these pockets here. On the inside left, you got your care instruction tag. And I'm guessing this is a a Drake tag or something. This one here, it's like totally fabric. Yeah. And on the back of the neck, I just pulled this off, but yeah, you had it safety pinned on there. You got your super light blue, crazy light blue tag on here, and then this tag was just hanging on there. It says Nocta. You can kind of tell. But yeah, so there you go, tags. Okay, yeah, so this is size large. I'm glad I did not size down. Seriously, this fits really nice, really perfect. I am 6'1", about 150 pounds. But anyways, yeah, inside of this pocket, I mean, it's got its regular thing, but then it also has a little zipper, and it's got a little secret pocket in there. Yeah. And it only goes right to there. It cuts off right there. Just a little secret pocket. I mean, these pockets are cool too. I mean, not super secret. And if I put a bunch of stuff in here, then I'm just going to look like I have boobs. Well, maybe not. Maybe that's not a bad thing. Maybe I need to start loving some new looks. I don't know. Kid Cudi, he really could have used a little bit of cleavage with his off-white dress. No, I'm just playing though. I love Kid Cudi. He's super awesome. Love his music. I got his Man on the Moon 3 right here. It's Cacti Plant Flea Market. You can check out that video if you want. And then with this hoodie from Drake, you do have this rubberized Nocta branding right on the sleeve. You got this really nice reinforced tech material on both of the elbows. I mean, that's a big wear spot, so that's nice that that's gonna stay a little bit more reinforced. On the back, you have these other W.U.G.L things. I can feel them. Yeah, it says AWR right down here. Other side says CL, and then yeah, your little tiny Nike right there. Little Velcro bag here. Let me know what you think about this hoodie. I mean, the drawstrings are even cool too. The bungee sort of situation, which is not super new. I mean, I already have a hoodie that does this, but it's just nice. Gives a cool feel to it. A little bit more premium there. But anyways, I am going to get into our last item, the Supreme Spring Summer 2021 Week 7 pickup that I grabbed. Just grabbed the linen hat. Nothing else was calling my name. I mean, nothing that I was quick enough to be able to cop anyways. And then even like this week's Supreme drop, all those t-shirts that they dropped. My next video, I'm probably going to have the t-shirts that I grabbed. But that drop like took so long. I was waiting for minutes and minutes for the bar to load with my payments. So anyways, Supreme is getting harder and harder to cop. I don't know. Maybe they're making less. Maybe their website is just over flooded, but I did really like this linen cap. I need to get more linen. I don't have a whole lot. The one linen shirt that I do have that I bought on my Europe trip, it was a really fun Europe trip, totally just shrunk it on accident, put it in the wash and dried it on too high of heat. Supreme did me good, gave me 2 box logo stickers. Still no bubbles from me. I don't think I'm gonna get any bubbles. Bubbles are the free gift that Supreme's supposed to be giving away for the Spring Summer 2021 collection. A lot of people did get free bubbles the first week, and they're just not sending them out to Montana. They just tied this. Lately, that's what they've been doing with their hats, just quick tying it, putting it in a bag here. Here's your label. You know, your little sticker label down there. It is really light, feels really airy. That's what I was hoping for. I wanted a nice airy hat, and just feels, yeah, you guys can tell. Linen just has this certain feel to it, this looseness to it. It's all white. It's nice. I've never gotten a Supreme white hat with that red box logo, so, you know, first for everything. This back strap ain't too bad. You can secure your hat with this. It looks like it is actually real leather. And then the inside, you got your information. Supreme, made in USA. Yeah, it tells you your info there. Pretty much cotton. And then over here they tell you about the linen. It is made in Italy. 100% linen, weaving linen. Slobiati. Sol, is that a S-O-L? B-I-A-T-I? I don't know. For sizing, I feel like it's just a really standard camper cap size. Just, I mean, not real big, not small, super small either. Maybe for some people it's going to be too small. I did have to loosen this just 1 notch to make it fit me perfectly. You guys all let me know what you think about this cap, this Supreme pickup. I'll probably be pairing this with a bunch of fits in the summertime. Keep me nice and cool. And yeah, so now we're going to talk some news. We got a bunch of different shoes that that have dropped. Those Hyper Royals, those Jordan 1s, those were really hard cop for a lot of people. They only made, they made less than 200,000 pairs of those. But then the demand was millions, I'm sure. But thankfully, we do have the Purple Pulse coming up. So the Nike Dunk Lows, they look similar. They're really close to the Hyper Royals, and they're dunks. They're Dunk Lows. I mean, I'm gonna be trying to go after those as well as most people. The Ama Meniere, those Jordan 3s are dropping this week, or they're probably already dropped if you're watching this a few days later. Those 3s are super fire, super creamed out, just like same color vibes as my Kim Jones that I unboxed today. We also have the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner restocking this summer. It might actually be $240 like the new price point. In that case, it's gonna sell out like crazy. There's gonna be a super high demand. The Adidas Yeezy Boost 700s have normally been $300. They just recently dropped them in price. If they go for $300, the demand will not be as high, but it's still gonna be up there. They're still probably sell out. On the 29th of April, we have this Dodgers Air Force One High, totally embossed out, just some crazy vibes. And then I show you guys some other different shoes randomly as I find out about them in my community tab. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification. You can be alerted whenever new information about sneakers comes up. And then next, I'm just gonna share some fun stuff with you guys and some stuff to make you think, some things to really make your brain go. On social media, I saw this post and I knew I just need to share with as many people as I could. It just really put the state of what's going on in the United States into perspective a little bit. I mean, sort of, for certain things that are going on. This sign says, "We live in a world where trained cops can panic and act on impulse, but untrained civilians must remain calm with a gun in their face." I mean, come on. We have some issues and we need change. We need real lasting change. We got to get rid of this old system, this old way of doing things that is super outdated. And then also I want to leave us with something here. Any of my Bible thumpers, I was a total Bible nerd basically my whole life, and I still kind of am. I mean, if you ask me stuff about the Bible, I'm going to know about it. I'm going to be able to look it up super quick. Anyways, this little thread here, what Bible story would qualify as a Florida man story? Florida man claimed superhero strength until Florida woman cuts off his mullet. Florida man spends entire night in lion enclosure, emerges the next day unharmed. Another way to say it. Florida man thrown into lion enclosure, befriends lion, claims supernatural involvement. Florida man whose wife went missing claims she turned into something that looked like bath salt. Florida man paints door with sheep's blood, said it was to protect his firstborn son. And lastly, Florida man kills his brother in a field, says he was jealous of what the Lord gave him. Oh man, these are rich. I mean, if you know these stories, these Bible stories, then I want to challenge you in the comments right now. Write down the title of the story, the Bible passage that it's found at, the specific quote, the Florida man quote, and just label those each on there. I'll totally pin that comment to this video. So a little bit of homework. I mean, if multiple people do it, then yeah, I guess it's the first one to it, and then everybody else, I'll like it. I'll give you a little heart. I'll love that comment because I love each and every one of you. We're all made special. We can all make a difference with each and every action that we take each and every day. So yeah, let's just make every moment count. Hopefully this was helpful for some people out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, won't try to get a pill.